Right, tonight we're looking for a Sonia. They're currently around here at this time of year, but we're gonna go in and try to have a look. Alright, come on. Right, we've got to be very careful. We've got to be very careful. There's a lot of Sonias around here. We've got to be quite careful. Alright, we're gonna go in there and we're getting not in close. Right, I'm good now. Oh God, that's a real Sonia. I've never seen one so close before. Right, I'm gonna go in a little close, take a quick look. God, I've never seen this type of behaviour from a Sonia before. Real. God, I'm so excited. I've never seen this before. Right. What's happening here is this time of year. These Sonias. It's mating season for the Sonias, and she's quite horny. You know, she's just looking for a mate. God. Often, what the Sonias do as a mating ritual, they start to hump. Dry hump. God. Oh my God, I can't believe it. We've got a Russell. We've got a genuine. Right, this type of year, these Russells get a little bit agitated. The time at the clock, they are waiting for the medications, and sometimes, right, he's put his cloak on, he's trying to hide. We just stay still. We just stay very still. Right. Pretend here. Okay, right. Here, little mate. Here, mate. Russell. Right, he's a little bit shy. But he's all right. God, crikey! What have we got here? We've got a bloody gemma. This is a real gemma. A bloody real one. This is. God, fucking. It's a Hancock. It's a real Hancock.